Okay, just got a text message from my friend Todd, KB7RQQ. I don't know if he's still at Disneyland in Anaheim, California, or he's back home to Washington State. But he's going to try to send me a message via, I believe, APRS. So I'm sitting in front of the radio and going to see what happens. I should have signal to Equinox. So I should be able to hear the digipeater, so it'd be kind of cool to find out how long it takes to get a message from California. But then again, I'm not sure if I know how to send one back via this radio. I know in any tone, I just go to my messages, hit send, and I choose one of the ones I have pre-selected in my radio program file, the CPS software that I downloaded to the radio, and I hit send and it sends it. But this one I'm going to have to learn. Okay, waiting for a message to come in, and my digipeater inside the house, WW1VT-15, just sent out something. So I'm waiting. Okay, waiting for a message to come in, and my digipeater inside the house, WW1VT-15, just sent out something. So I'm waiting. I just started driving down the road, see if I get better in the digipeater, and I just got something sent, and it just said DEAA1PR-9, so I think my radio sent something back in response. Okay, I'm sitting here that way, directly with that flagpole. Down behind that little hill there is Mount Equinox. And I'm up here at the old Diamond Run Mall, or Diamond Run Mall. So my friend Todd's going to try to send me a message. Like I said, I don't know if he's in Anaheim or Washington State, and there's text messages coming in, so let me go reply to his text on the cell phone, that is. Okay, looking at my station list, laugh. I noticed yesterday and today in the sun, the head unit for the FTM200DR was super hot. You got a dark gray dash. The radio head is black. You know, marine radios are white, so they reflect the heat. I got thinking about that. Anyways, got a package of these in the car for clients in case somebody's coughing and hacking up a storm. Got to give them one to wear. I wear one. So I just kind of looped it around the elastic loops. I can kind of drape it over. It's not going to cover it 100% front and rear, but hey, X has a little bit of a sun shield. It's lighter in color, doesn't absorb all the heat, and when I tried it out earlier today, between noon and 2, it wasn't even hot to the touch, but the other day, man, it was really warm. I'm not sure what the heat can do, and I don't know what the cold can do to the display. Hopefully it's like every other radio I've had, it's going to be able to survive the Vermont winters and the Vermont summers. Okay, so I got that text message earlier. It's from Todd and Seamus, KB7RQQ and N7MYW. I thought they included me in the text by accident, but I guess Seamus tried to send me a message. I didn't understand it. And then Todd sent me a message, which I did get. I go into the F menu, and I can't see through the phone. Message list. So I got N1. Oh God, it's washing out. Don't know how to. N1, how do I do this? Oh, I gotta go to the brightness. Let me pause the camera. And of course, LCD brightness is 2. There we go, minimum. And I think the camera can see that now. Let's get back to where I was. Okay. Message list. Sorry, Tim. Camera's getting wiped out by this. And of course, there we go. Got N1 SFT. KB7RQQ. Number 6. N1 SFT. And that's it. No Seamus. Now I gotta figure out how to send a message. Oh, okay, so I got N7MYW. I believe it's a long press. Nope, I need to call up here and it's down there. Son of a gun, what the heck? The manual is so convoluted. I can't make sense of the manual. Let me pause. Okay, N7. Shoot, I got MXW. I gotta change that. Oh, what a pain in the butt. The menu, you gotta push F to squelch this knob over here. Push this in, and where the hell is my finger? And everything else. Son of a gun. I got his call sign wrong. I gotta change that. Oh my god, what a pain in the arse. Okay, so I got N7MYW-7, CQ test DE AA1PR. Got the MX TX memory mode, whatever the hell is transmit. Put send. And hopefully it sent it. There it goes. Memory message. I meant multi-mode message. I don't know what the hell that stands for. It sent it. Woohoo. Now hopefully Seamus gets it. Only took me about a half hour to figure this out. Leo's over here purring up a storm. I've been trying to figure out how to send a message to Seamus. Me and Todd been texting back and forth. The menu system, push and hold. This, get the message, text. N7MYW, I push and hold that. No, I can't remember how they do it. I gotta look at the manual. I'm gonna have to print that little sheet off page 33 of the APRS manual on how to send a message, or to change the message to get it to go to Seamus. It's not the most easy of things to do, the way their system is. Let me do this. How did I do that? So I go to message list. Nope, that's not it. Nope. Anyways, I'll have to read the manual again and show you.